here is how you can share your iPhone voice memos from the iPhone, from the device to email. So let's get started. And if this is your first time here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, of course, you can open up your voice memos and record whatever. And then to share it through email, you have two main paths or options. The first one would be to, of course, tap the three dots next to your recording and click on share. This lets you pick from all of the different options, and you should be able to see the mail right here. It depends on if you're using the Apple's mail client, but even some third-party apps like Gmail might have it right here. So you just click on it, and once you do it, then it's going to be added as the attachment, so you can just fill out the remaining details like the recipient and the subject, as well as the line of the content, whatever, and you can just share it directly from the app over email. So it works well for a lot of cases. But the other path which you can choose is to also go to the three dots and share, but instead of sharing it directly from the app, you can save it to the Files app. This is, in my opinion, a nice way because you can export it from the Voice Memos app, save it in the files, and then you can access it from any app that you want, right? So even if you go later with literally any method of sharing, you can always just tap on just share file and just go to the Files app and just access it from here, right? So that would be another way to do it. Depends on which one you like more or which one works out better for you. But I just wanted to share that with you. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well.